Okay, let's go. Let's do this.
Yeah, we gotta speed run this. Start it.
Fuck, my bedroll's too close.
Oh my god!
Wait, your bedroll's too close. It's
What do
because of
mean?
you.
Oh,
Move your
it's too
bed.
close? What?
Yeah, yeah,
What
yeah.
do you
Move
mean?
it back here. Move it back, like over here. This is where I put mine. It should be fine.
Why it have to be that far away?
Because the game knows we're cheating by putting beds down.
What?
So
When did it? Wait, when did it learn that?
it's always been like that.
Really?
Yeah,
oh,
yeah,
I never.
yeah.
Oh,
okay.
Quan, it's gonna take ages to move this game.
Oh shit.
Are you moving 7 days? There you go.
Yeah,
now
well,
it's
I'm
going.
moving 7 days
Alright, let's
first
go,
because
let's
that's
go.
the first
Speed run, speed
game
run.
we're playing.
Oh shit,
Yeah,
we have to break
true.
everything, or is everything already broke?
It's
Collect everything,
find.
remove.
Oh, we don't have to clear. We just have to find the supplies.
Oh, okay.
That's
sweet.
good.
Alright, let's just do it quick then.
Wait, you have
Well,
supplies too, though. So you have to do.
Oh, yeah. Find supply. Oh shit.
Oh, on the roof, on the roof. Careful. Wait, spider, spider. Nice. Oh, thank you, thank you.
Okay. Oh, should I
can't
buy
tell
something
it's
from the
done.
vending machine? Oh, buy shit from the vending machine.
Yeah, if you want to.
Just in case.
All right, it's this way. Oh, this way over here.
Oh.
Oh, dude, I think it's done.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh, no,
Oh.
it's not. I lied.
Over here, Quan. This way.
It only moved
Hold
one
on.
bar.
Hold on. I'll be right back.
It only moved one bar. Sad face, my friend.
Sad face.
I
Alright,
was not
I'm gonna-
playing with you guys.
No.
What's he doing?
I don't know. Probably watching something. I'm gonna.
Watching.
Oh shit!
Adult entertainment. Is that what it is?
Oh god, I'm in trouble. Yeah, tier 5 quests are crazy, yeah.
Okay, I'm back.
How do you
Alright,
guys
let's
get
go.
tier 5 quests already? I only have tier 1 and 2.
Right? Me too. I only have tier 3.
What? How'd you get tier 3?
Oh.
Here, the left here.
Oh wait, my mission is my box is on top, Carl. My box is
Me
like
too.
on the top.
Yeah, me too. Remember, you can recycle the office chairs for easy leather.
Oh fuck that! I'm not using any leather.
But Quan, leather's important. Like when you're building stuff,
For you
crafting
it's
stuff.
important.
A lot of stuff use leather.
I don't craft, Carl. I just loot and buy. The only thing I craft is ammo. Okay, where do we go? Which one? Remember, we should not have to break any door or anything. It should be an easy, smooth flow.
Yeah, right. This way. So it's this way.
Oh, it's almost done, boys.
Oh shit. Maybe we should have waited. We could probably finish this one quick behind you.
Oh,
How long are you
nice.
guys gonna play for?
I'll
this mission-
probably. Well,
Two.
we'll finish this mission and see. But if I'm down to play
Oh,
till
no.
like 10:30 if you still want to hop on, Gap.
I'm gonna shower first, I guess.
All right.
And hopefully it's done by then.
All right. All right. Yeah, my stamina. I want sexual Tyrannosaurus because my melee stamina is not good.
Sexy T-Rex,
Yeah, that'll help. I have 2 points in it, so it should be, helping, but I guess not really.
I have all points in agility. I want to be
Yeah,
so fast.
that probably helps.
Wait, which way are we
I
going?
feel like agility doesn't do anything. It's so useless.
What's over here? Wait, Quan, I think my stuff's over here. This way. Can I break through? No, you think we
No.
should stick with the main route?
Main
We'll
route,
get
main
there
route.
eventually.
Yeah,
Okay.
Oh, what the fuck?
What the heck? Is that the way? Oh, this door doesn't
shit.
open. I think that's the way.
Yeah, that way.
Oh, he's irradiated.
Dead.
Alright, this way. Or, what the heck?
That way?
Did you guys play yesterday?
Yeah,
we
me
did-
and Quan
we did-
played yesterday.
Oh, I didn't play either?
No, Kyle played Far Cry.
Oh.
What the fuck? Me and Quan are grinding this game. Are you sure this is the right way?
No.
Okay.
Like this is not. But this give you like access to like.
Oh, wait, should we just go
stuff.
up here then?
Yeah, go up here. Like there are paths and you can clear, And it give you loot.
Garbage.
Uh-huh. Oh, you hear that? Oh my god.
Dude, are they breaking from above?
Yeah.
From the
It's
side?
okay. It's okay though.
Alright, come back down.
Yeah. Like, there's a main path, but there's also like path that you can go
Side
off.
paths to loot
Yeah.
from.
But side path should be easy to break, like wood. That's it. It
Okay.
should be just like wood. Yeah. To break through. It should be any like locked door or anything like that.
You shoot that guy?
I can't. I don't have a good shot on him. Oh.
Oh shit, look, there's a bunch in there. Army dude, bad guy. I'm gonna break it. Ready?
Yeah, ready. Oh, okay. Oh shit.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh my god, I missed all my shot. The
Where'd he come from? Was he like sitting in the corner?
From behind. Yeah, no, he was from behind. Oh, they're coming from behind, Carl. They're coming from behind.
Oh, they must have broke through somewhere.
Yeah, they broke you somewhere.
The fuck? Yeah, they broke through somewhere.
They're coming from behind us.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, there's one more. Good job.
Okay. Loot's in here? Just loot's in here?
Close the door just in case. Garbage, dude.
Garbage.
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 Sucks.
Alright. Next.
Alright.
This way?
Wait, is there a safe in there? I guess not.
Just
Oh
watch out.
shit! Look at this, look at this.
Hold on.
Safe.
Safe?
Mhm.
Nice. Okay.
Oh fuck! Shit.
Let me know if you need lock.
Fuck. So if you continue lockpicking after me, does it carry off from where I stopped?
No,
Or-
no, it doesn't.
Oh. Garbage, dude. Sucks. Oh, there's stuff back there.
No, there's nothing back here.
There's a chest, but there should be a chest back there. No?
No, nothing.
Oh fuck.
Oh wait, how do I get out? Fuck.
How'd you get in?
I jump over something.
Here, build a block. They're like trying to break in here.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. So the way... Oh, let me recycle this real quick. Oh!
Yeah, oh my god.
Nice. Oh!
Oh! Oh my god.
Radiator.
Nah.
Alright,
Where
so
did I
this way
come-
is the
where-
main
yeah,
way.
This way. Cafeteria.
Oh, watch out.
Behind us.
I closed that door.
Reloading.
Oh shit!
Oh my god.
Oh, spider behind
my
us.
God. Oh my god. Behind. Oh my god. Oh, behind us. Oh my
Water.
god.
There's still more. Oh. Garbage. Oh, there's something probably up here. They broke this
Garbage.
door.
Oh,
Oh,
Carl,
something
Carl.
up here. Something up here.
Back here, back here, back here. Bedroom, bedroom, in this bedroom. Isn't there something up here? No, I don't know.
Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
There's something in the other room, a box.
Okay.
Here, I'll get this box real quick. Shit.
I'll watch you go.
Shit. No gas. Shit, shit, shit. What do I drop? Shit, I don't have an axe with me.
Huh? Oh, you want me to do it? I can break it.
Yeah, break it, cause my chainsaw ran out of gas.
Gas.
So I don't have an
There's
axe.
nothing. There's nothing in there.
Nothing? Okay.
Yeah, it's just a sandwich.
Alright, let's go.
There should be some food in the calf. So
Yeah.
you should get some food and then eat them.
Yeah.
No, there's nothing here.
Nothing.
Fuck.
It's like nothing.
Shit. Oh, there's
No
iron.
food?
No food.
There's water. I'll just... Oh shit. Fuck. Why'd I do that?
No, no
Okay.
food. No food. Shit, there's no food. Oh.
Up here. I remember.
Okay.
We were here before. There's a bunch on the roof over here.
Yeah. Okay.
I remember.
Yeah.
this.
Okay. My supply is on this level.
Mine's not. The
Oh,
fuck?
man. Mine's on this level, so I should watch out.
Oh,
Oh
bird,
my
bird,
god!
bird.
Oh my god! Where did that one come from? Oh, let's go! Behind you! Behind you!
Fuck! Yeah, I'm all... Yours is on this floor? Mine's still up. Dang it. So where's the way that makes sense over here? This way? Oh, along here?
No. Oh wait, hold on. Let me look. What's coming in? What's coming in?
Where?
Where's
see
the... Wait. Yeah. Along the edge.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Careful, I hear zombos.
Oh yeah, in the office.
Can we snipe them off? Oh
What?
shit.
No, there's glass though. There's glass. Oh shit.
Oh, bird.
Me! Oh my god. Oh, car is
Come
waiting.
here. The fuck?
What? Get it quick.
No, there's still more
Okay.
zombies. Yeah.
Yeah, but you want to get else like get attacked by the bird?
Alright, I'm in.
Okay.
Search this place.
Let's just wait.
Bullets.
Nice.
Take the rest of that. Okay, that's fine. You can leave most of this garbage. Whatever, use that. Lead. So much water. I'll drink one of those. Is yours, which way is yours? Let's get yours first.
Mine's pretty far away.
Far?
Mine is
How
like
can you tell?
24 meters.
Oh, mine's 10.8, but it's on the floor
Okay.
above.
Oh, okay.
What's over here? Nothing. Okay, it's fine.
Uh,
You want to break in there?
wait, which way are we going?
You want to break in this door here? Or no?
Hey, what's this? Oh, this is elevator.
What about here?
Okay. You want to try and get in there? Okay.
Yeah. Oh, it's the stairway. We can come
Yeah.
back later.
Yeah. Like, we're not supposed to go through there.
Probably not. Okay.
Yeah, I think my
Oh.
box
Nice. Damn,
Oh, yeah,
Quan,
shotgun-
I didn't know you were manning shotgun.
Oh, it was my backup. Okay, Carl, my box is here. Carl,
Alright.
my box is here.
Alright.
I got my box.
Cool. Nice. Alright.
I'm
I
out
guess
here.
as soon as we
Peace.
get... Quan!
Peace.
No! Hit me, Quan!
Let's keep going.
You remember this
Keep going.
spot? This is the
Yeah, this
fucking
one's
spot.
shit, man. You open the
Alright,
door,
hold on.
they got something running out.
Hold on. This one
Oh, I
too
need some-
sucks.
oh, you
We
have
can
any
leave that
cloth?
door shut. We can leave this
Shit.
door shut, right? I know they're in there.
Yeah. Don't go through the store.
There you go.
Yeah, just right there. Damn, you getting headshots? Huh?
They're still on the ceiling
careful.
too.
Yeah, they're coming through there.
Hold on, I can reach that loot. Nice. Yeah, I know they're up there still.
Oh, nice.
Okay, that guy's
Ooh,
down.
it's cold.
Ooh,
Oh,
chili.
yeah, hit right to that.
Chili.
Oh, Matt,
Guys have a lot of
Oh
gas.
shit, what's over there? I'll close that for now.
We have a lot of gas. We should have a lot of gas in back in base.
Wait, what happened to my higher level pickaxe? Oh, there. Oh shit.
I got it.
Alright, cool,
Just
cool.
yeah, open that door.
Oh, there's zombies in here too.
Let's get some med kit if we can.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm trying. I want to see the game.
Oh, they're coming in. Oh shit! Fuck me!
What time
You're
is
good,
it?
you're good. Friggin' paper, that's it.
What time is it in the game?
I'm gonna use
12
steroids.
noon?
12 noon.
Midnight. No, noon.
No, it's noon.
Noon. I can't tell, man.
Hey.
I wonder if my
Alright,
game's
Quan,
gonna
this is
launch
the way.
faster now that it's on an
The way.
SSD.
Probably loading times will be faster. Not really the game.
Oh, wait till you get an NVMe drive like mine get.
Do you ever have the glitch where your gun disappears?
No.
And you
Oh
have
my
to,
God.
Yeah.
you have to
yeah.
reload it?
So much
Yeah.
faster. The game starts instantly.
Oh yeah.
Come on, this would be the obvious way. Jump
Yeah,
in here.
that'd be it. But
Dude,
you wanna
I'm
go?
already, I'm already
Yeah,
in the
let's
game.
go.
Oh no. No, come. No.
What?
We're gonna go around that place. We're gonna come back in there. We can come back in there eventually.
Okay. What's
Dude,
the obvious
it's
way?
so
This way
much
then.
faster. I'm
Yeah,
literally
that way.
already
No,
initializing
I'll
the
hear,
world.
Carl. I'll hear.
Oh, you're right. Oh shit! It's annoying,
There's
dude.
one more. Fuck you. Oh my god! Fuck me.
Oh! Might have had a huge lag spike.
Yeah. Alright, back in here.
Dude, I'm already in the game so fast.
Yeah.
What the?
Yeah, so the cat. That's why when Carl say service up, and I'm like, wait a minute, service not up because.
Oh shit!
Careful,
Oh!
up behind us. There's a trap. Oh my god.
Nice. Quan's my bodyguard. Repair kit. Okay, yeah, so going up is the most
Yeah,
obvious.
going up. Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Okay. Oh shit. Yeah, Cat. So that SSC you have, Cat, is probably one of the best SSC out there. Like the only way to get faster than that is you have to get NVMe.
Nice.
Yeah, through here. Yeah, through here. Yep.
How far down does this game go? Do you guys know?
Start
How far
digging.
down?
Yeah.
I don't have no idea. Yeah, see, my gun keeps disappearing. Then I have to reload. I have
Oh,
to
are you aiming? Are you aiming?
Like, after I shoot, like, after it's scoped, like,
Yeah.
it's supposed to be reloading, but sometimes my gun will just disappear, and I have to, like, click it on my toolbar for it to show up. It's weird. Is this the one? No, that's where he came from.
This way.
Cool, cool.
Is your box nearby, Carl?
27 meters from here.
Oh,
We're in the right direction. Oh, there it is. You see it? That's it, I think. Through the glass thing? I think that's it.
Oh.
Do you see it over there?
You sure? Well, how much?
Oh, maybe.
How much distance?
Wait, 27, so maybe that's not it.
No, that's not it.
Oh, shit! What the fuck?
Bird. Oh god.
What the fuck? That bird was like strong enough to like push me. It was like almost push me off the freaking roof. Alright. What the fuck? I'm thirsty. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, this way.
This way.
Oh, we
Yeah.
could be smart about picking level 5 quest, Quan. If it's just the fetch, like that's easier
Yeah.
than clearing. So we should
Oh,
pick
Carl,
those.
Carl, look down there. There's a box down there.
Not worth it. Is it worth it? We could build our way up.
It's, I'm gonna go down.
I think that might be the way. Wait, is it
No,
this
no,
way?
no, it's not, it's not.
Okay,
It's
go
not,
down
yeah.
there. Go down there. I'm gonna continue over here real quick.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the way.
Okay. Let me come back up. All right, come back up.
Just build your way up, I guess,
Okay.
through the same hole.
Yeah, same hole.
Oh yeah, it's here for sure.
Okay, I'm back
Here,
up.
there's extra loot over here again too. I'm gonna get it. There's a satchel thing. Fuck, it's garbage, dude.
Okay.
What was in the box? Was it good?
Ammo.
Okay. Let's see. This way? Through here, I guess.
Yeah, that way. Keep going. Yep, that way. Yep.
Okay,
How close are we
hold
to
on.
your box?
Are there zombies?
Stop it.
Left side. Scientist.
Clear.
Nice, nice. 30 meters.
Oh my god, that's so far away,
It's-
Carl.
It's like roundabout.
This way, this way. Loot first? Is there any loot? Okay. Oh, Carl, when you see the vents like this, just access.
Yeah.
It's wood.
Garbage.
Okay.
Is it this way?
Up. Oh yeah, that way.
Hold on. Bird?
A bird.
Fuck
Oh my
you,
god.
fuck you.
More. There's one bird.
Oh shit!
There's no one. Alright, we good.
I just need my thing. Alright. Oh! Watch out!
Oh.
Oh shit, dude.
Okay.
Watch out!
Oh my god.
It's this way, yeah.
Yeah, that way.
Just be careful where you walk. 8 meters. Here, it's here.
Where?
You see that one? Oh, there's a gun case here. Oh,
Wall coming? Oh god. Clear. Oh, wall.
oh,
there's a
biker.
boss.
Gun case? Oh, I remember this place. I remember this area. Do you remember this?
Yeah.
I remember this spot.
Okay.
Okay.
Loot?
You can get that. Wait, what the heck?
Get what?
You can get the gun case if you want.
Where? I don't know where.
Right here. Here. Shit, I think I
What?
have to go up this thing
Oh.
now.
Ah.
Oh,
Can you open
invite
it?
me.
Yeah, I can open it.
Oh, there's a lot of zombies here.
Oh, invite me.
Hold on.
Oh, I'll invite you.
Getting
I'll invite
whomped.
you. Wait, no, I can't. How do I invite you? I cannot, because I'm not leader.
Hold on, there's zombies everywhere. I have to kill them first.
Oh,
Okay.
I didn't finish. Oh, there's more coming.
I know. I have to go up, I think, Quan, because it's
Okay,
not giving me a direct way there. I could go through the glass. Let me see. If I just go through here.
Oh, damn it, I forgot to bring a repair kit. And I didn't bring my pickaxe.
Yeah, that's it over here, Quan. I'm just gonna shortcut to it.
Oh my god. This freaking... Oh!
Do you need
No!
more
What's the
lockpick?
chance on this? Almost there? Okay, I
It's
got
a
it.
gun safe. That's like one of the harder.
Oh,
things
okay.
to
I only
open.
got cash. Only got cash from
Oh my god. Garbage.
that. Wait, where you at?
I backtracked here. I'm
you
just doing a
backtracked?
shortcut to it. That should be my satchel over here. Yep, that's it. Alright, we can turn our quest, I guess.
Okay.
You ready to go?
And then you want to do tier 5 quest with Gat?
Yeah. Yeah, you want to do tier 5 quest?
Yeah, Gat.
Or,
You might have to wait till the next day again, though. Or we can do it overnight. take a
No, we're
while.
not. They're gonna run at us. The zombie's gonna run at us.
Okay. Come on, let's get out of here. The
let's get out of here.
stairway... Is this the stairway? Yeah.
Oh shit! I'm just gonna. I wish it was a parachute. We could just jump out. Oh yeah, stairway. Remember, we're not another floor. Wait, is it? Is it a first floor? Oh.
Oh shit.
Oh, this is not it.
The fuck?
Yeah, just break through that. Alright, where, this way? No, wait, yeah, this way. Wait, no.
Oh, yeah, wait. Yeah, that back this way.
This way?
It's gotta be this way here.
This way, Carl, this way.
What? What?
This way. No. Okay, oh, no, behind you,
What?
behind you. This way.
Okay.
I should buy something. Yeah, I'll buy that. Alright, let's get out of here.
Alright,
Oh my
let's turn in the
god.
quest.
Oh, should I get gas? I gotta get gas, Carl. I'm sorry, I gotta get gas.
Yeah, that's fine.
Carl, you should get gas too, man.
I should. Hold on. I'm just putting junk in my thing. Beep boop bop beep boop beep 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 boo.
Oh my god, I cannot pick up all of this stuff. Look how many bags are there. Oh my god.